If you've ever felt like you're drowning in bills, like everyone else has it all figured out and you're the only one falling behind, this video is for you. And if you're ready to stop surviving and start building the life you actually want, hit that like button, subscribe, and join me on this journey. You know, I didn't start this channel because I had it all figured out. I started it because I didn't. For years I struggled with anxiety around money. I delayed bills. I avoided bank notifications. Every time someone talked about saving or investing, I felt small, like I was already too far behind to catch up. Everyone seemed better at this than me, smarter, more organized, more in control. And honestly, I felt like there was no hope. I truly believed that managing money just, wasn't for people like me. But one day I just got tired of the stress, tired of not knowing, tired of feeling powerless. So I made a decision. Enough is enough. I started learning. YouTube videos, podcasts, books. I consumed everything I could. And little by little, I started to realize something. Half of personal finance isn't about maths. It's about planning. It's about making a little game for yourself. And when you win, you celebrate. When you lose, you try again with a new strategy. What works for others might not work for you, and that's okay. Your journey is your own. As I kept learning, I thought, there's got to be more people like me, starting from scratch, feeling overwhelmed, but deep down still hopeful. That's why I started this channel. I called it the BrokeScape Plan. Because it's not just about escaping debt or surviving paycheck to paycheck. It's about escaping the mindset that says, you can't. It's about finding your version of freedom, financially, mentally, emotionally. Look, I'm not a financial expert. I'm a dreamer with action, and I believe every step counts. So what's my dream? It's not flashy. I dream of a quiet off-grid home, a big garden, food I grow with my own hands, breathing deeply without bills piling up, laughing with my family, not worrying about what's coming next. I'm not there yet, but I've started walking. And now I invite you to walk with me. If you feel lost, like you're stuck in the same cycle, you're not alone. If you're broke, tired, and unsure of your next step, you're still worthy of peace and prosperity. Print a picture of your dream life. Put it somewhere you'll see it every day. Let it remind you what you're working toward. Whether your dream is a luxury lifestyle or a stress-free simple one, it's yours. You just need a plan. So, if you're tired of waiting for the perfect moment, this is it. Today is your day one. Hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment and share your dream. Let's build this escape plan together. We may be broke now, but we're not broken. We are dreamers in motion. And this is just the beginning. Welcome to the BrokeScape Plan.